Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another great recipe, which is soup momo. I have tried this recipe couple of times and it came so perfect and the taste was so yummy. So I wanted to share this recipe with you guys too. So let's get started. To prepare a soup momo, first I'm gonna make a stuffing for momo. So for that, here I have taken 1 lb ground chicken or keema. And I have 1 cup finely chopped cabbage. Then I'm gonna add half cup this finely chopped carrot and 1 cup finely chopped onion and 2 tablespoons finely chopped ginger and garlic. Add some spring onion. Then add 1 tablespoon momo masala, 1 teaspoon garam masala, salt as per the taste, then half teaspoon black pepper powder, and add 1 tablespoon of butter or oil. Then combine everything together. Now our momo stuffing is ready. So the next I'm gonna do is I have this pre-made dumpling wrapper which I have got it from Asian grocery store. You can make this wrapper at home also. Now I'm gonna wrap this momo. So for that I have taken this dumpling wrapper and I'm gonna apply the water on top of this. Then add 1 scoop momo stuffing or keema. And then give them any shape, whatever shape you like, you just give them. I like this because it's pretty simple. Follow the same process. So I'm gonna make the soup out of these 10 momos. So my final step is I'm gonna make a soup. So for that I'm gonna add oil in this pan. Then I'm gonna add this onion, finely chopped onion, and cook this onion till it turns into golden brown color. Now our onion turns into golden brown color. Then add this green chilies. And I'm gonna add this finely chopped ginger and garlic. Stir it. Now I'm gonna add this tomatoes. I'm gonna add salt, then half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin and coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, add 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Combine everything. Cover this and cook the tomato until it becomes soft. Let's take a look. So now the tomato becomes soft, so I'm gonna add 3 cups of water. Then add cross Timur or Sichuan peppercorns. Mix it. And then add these momos. Cook this for 15 minutes. So momo is floating now. This is how you know your momo is fully cooked now. I'm gonna add this finely chopped spring onion and coriander leaves. And I will leave this for 5 minutes like this. I want that flavors from this coriander leaves and spring onions. After 5 minutes, our soup momo is ready. I hope you guys liked the recipe. If you liked the recipe, please give me a feedback and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.